Are you ready for the next big revolution in mirrorless photography? The OM system OM-3 is making waves in the camera world, bringing cutting-edge technology, compact design, and incredible performance for both professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. If you're passionate about photography and want to know what the OM-3 brings to the table, stay tuned because we're diving deep into all its features, improvements, and why it might be the best mirrorless camera for you. OM system evolution. A legacy continues. The OM system, formerly known as Olympus, has a rich history of crafting high-quality cameras designed for creativity and portability. With the transition to the OM system branding, the company has remained committed to pushing the limits of mirrorless technology. The OM once set a new standard, and now, the OM-3 is here to redefine expectations yet again. The OM-3 builds on decades of camera innovation, taking inspiration from the legendary Olympus OM-3 film camera, but packed with modern digital capabilities. It combines advanced computational photography, an upgraded sensor, and AI-powered autofocus to cater to both still photographers and videographers alike. The design, compact and weather-sealed. One of the standout aspects of the OM-3 is its compact, rugged body. The OM system has always emphasized portability without compromising performance. The OM-3 follows this philosophy with a lightweight yet durable magnesium alloy chassis that is fully weather-sealed, making it an ideal companion for outdoor and travel photographers. This camera features a deep grip for comfortable handling, customizable buttons for an intuitive experience, and a high-resolution articulating LCD screen that makes composing shots from any angle a breeze. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, has also been improved, providing a crisp and lag-free experience that mirrors optical viewfinders found in DSLRs. Sensor and image quality, a leap forward. At the heart of the OM-3 lies an all-new high-resolution stacked CMOS sensor designed to deliver stunning image quality. With an improved dynamic range and better low-light performance, photographers can expect sharp details, vibrant colors, and minimal noise even in challenging lighting conditions. Paired with the latest TruePic X processor, the OM-3 is capable of producing breathtaking images at a much faster processing speed. The camera boasts a resolution of 30 MP, ensuring that every shot is rich with detail. The in-body image stabilization, IBIS, has also been upgraded, now offering up to 8 stops of stabilization, making handheld shooting easier than ever. Autofocus and AI enhancements. One of the biggest advancements in the OM-3 is its AI-driven autofocus system. This camera features deep learning-based subject detection AF, which means it can intelligently recognize and track subjects like people, animals, vehicles, and even birds in flight. This autofocus system is not only fast but also incredibly accurate. Whether you're capturing fast-moving sports action or a fleeting wildlife moment, the OM-3 ensures you get the shot without hesitation. Video capabilities, 8K and beyond. For videographers, the OM-3 is a powerhouse. It supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, providing cinematic quality footage with incredible detail. It also features advanced OG profiles, including OM-Log and HLG, for maximum post-processing flexibility. Additionally, the improved heat management system ensures longer recording times without overheating issues. Another game-changer is the built-in ND filter and focus stacking capabilities, making it easier than ever to capture professional-quality content without extra accessories. Computational photography and creative features. The OM-3 continues to push the boundaries of computational photography. Features like Live ND, focus bracketing, high-res handheld mode **, and Starry Sky AF make it an incredibly versatile tool for creative photographers. The handheld high-resolution mode allows you to capture up to 100 MP images without a tripod, thanks to the improved sensor shift technology. Whether you're shooting landscapes, astrophotography, or macro shots, the OM-3 has the tools to elevate your work. Battery life and connectivity. The new high-capacity battery provides all-day shooting capabilities, allowing photographers and videographers to focus on their craft without worrying about running out of power. Connectivity options have also been enhanced with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and stable transfers of images and videos. The OM Image Share app has also been updated for seamless remote control and instant social media sharing. Lenses and accessories ***. The OM-3 is fully compatible with OM System and Zuiko lenses, giving users access to a vast range of high-quality glass. From ultra-wide-angle lenses to professional telephoto zooms, the OM System ecosystem continues to expand with premium optics. For those looking to enhance their workflow, OM System has also introduced new accessories, including an external battery grip, wireless remote control, and an upgraded external microphone for superior audio quality. Who should buy the OM-3? The OM-3 is designed for professional photographers who need a reliable, high-performance mirrorless camera, wildlife and sports photographers who require fast autofocus and excellent tracking, travel photographers who appreciate lightweight and weather-sealed gear, videographers looking for high-resolution recording and professional video features, content creators who need a compact yet powerful camera for vlogs and social media content. With its industry-leading features, the OM-3 competes directly with top-tier mirrorless cameras from brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, while maintaining the unique strengths of the OM system. Pricing and final thoughts. The OM System OM-3 is expected to launch at a competitive price, making it an attractive option for those who want professional-grade performance without the bulk. While official pricing details are yet to be confirmed, industry experts predict a starting price of around $249 for the body-only configuration. With its impressive combination of advanced technology, compact design, and innovative features, the OM-3 is poised to be a game-changer in the mirrorless camera market. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring creator, this camera is ready to take your photography and videography to the next level. Final call to action. Are you excited about the OM-3? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth camera reviews and photography tips. Stay tuned for our hands-on review once we get our hands on this amazing camera.